Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you can find information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU Here's a problem for today for exam LTAM. An insurer issues a 10-year term insurance policy with a sum insured of $1 million to a 50-year-old. You are given the following information. The sum insured is paid at the end of the month of death. Premiums are payable monthly. Initial expenses payable at the start of the contract are 60% of the annualized premium. Maintenance expenses are 5% of premiums, including the first. Mortality follows the standard ultimate life table, which you can find at smarturl.it/SULT. Deaths are uniformly distributed between integer ages. Interest rate is 5%, which is the interest rate used in the standard ultimate life table for calculations of actuarial present values. Premiums are determined using the equivalence principle. Calculate the monthly premium for this policy. And here's the solution. So using the equivalence principle, we write 12p, where p is the monthly premium, so 12p is the annual rate of premium, times a double dot 50 colon angle 10, 12, upper 12 for 12 months, so premium payable monthly, but annuity is a monthly annuity. It's equal to $1 million of the benefit, which is for an insurance plan, which is a term insurance for 10 years, but payable at the end of the month of death. That's why this upper 12 is up there. Plus 0.6 times 12p, that's the expense, plus 0.05 times 12p times a double dot 50 colon angle 10 upper 12, that's the maintenance expense. And of course we can solve this, and therefore p is equal to $1 million a 50 colon angle 10 1 upper 12 over 11.4 a double dot 50 colon angle 10 upper 12 minus 7.2. But now we need to find those values there to do the calculation. So we start with the life insurance. Under uniform distribution of deaths, this life insurance unit value that we have here is equal to I over I upper 12 times a 50 colon angle 10 1. So that's I over I upper 12 times a 50 colon angle 10 minus 10e 50. In other words, endowment minus pure endowment, because we only have term insurance that we're considering here. Those two values are actually in the table, and I over I upper 12 is in the table. So we plug them all in, and we get this to be 0.01495202. And a double dot 50 colon angle 10 upper 12 is equal to a double dot 50 upper 12 minus 10 e50 times a double dot 60 upper 12. And under uniform distribution of deaths, a double dot 50 upper 12 is equal to alpha of 12 times a double dot 50 minus beta of 12. And the same way for a double dot 60. And then we can look up the values of alpha of 12, beta of 12, pure endowment, and the annuities in the standard ultimate life table. We plug them all in, do the calculation, and we get approximately 7.8707757. Then we plug it all in into the formula for P, and do the calculation, and P comes out to be about 181.177787, and that's answer D. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.